Hey guys, Ronald here. Today I'm going to show you how to fix this scissor with a broken handle. The handle is a plastic one. Okay, I'm not going to sand this part because I want the uneven part for the epoxy to hold on to. Okay, so let's make some epoxy. I just got just a little bit of epoxy because the area that we're going to put it into is just very small. By the way, we no longer buy scissors with plastic handles. I just repair them whenever they break because they tend to break all the time. Okay, I'm going to put something behind it. Then put some more in here. Okay, let me wet my finger with some water. We will just let it solidify. Then if you think it's too rough, you can sand it later. Okay, by the way, we no longer buy this type of scissors because they tend to break easily. What we buy now are this type of scissors with a metallic handle. This one has an aluminum handle, and it's not really that expensive. This is just less than $3 US. So if you're interested to buy this one, I will just put the link below, and also the link of the epoxy that I use in case you are interested. So we'll just wait for it to dry. Okay, it has hardened. I hope you can see that. Let's try it. Okay, it's working now. So thank you for watching. I hope you like the video, and see you on our next video. Bye.